Welcome to What's New in Siemens NX. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the latest enhancements to model-based definition. And to take you through the demo, let's hand over to Paul.
So the next stage of the process is to start to document the model using model-based definition, and in particular, product and manufacturing information, or PMI. So I enter the PMI application. I have a number of commands that are available to me to document the geometry. Typically, I'd select one of the commands and start to pick geometry off of the topology optimized result. But in this first instance, I'm going to use one of our pre-configured rules. These automate the ability to apply PMI to the model. So in this instance, I'm going to look at creating the size on all of the holes in my model. I invoke the rule. It's now intelligently searching the model to find all of the holes within the part and applying the PMI information directly to it. And as you can see, it's found the 12 holes that connect the bracket to the gearbox, the 2 large holes through which the shaft passes, and the 4 holes that are used to connect the bracket to the chassis. Now, as I said, there are a number of other commands that we can use. So if I want to add further PMI, again, I can just pick geometry directly off of the model. Okay, we're going to add some tolerance to that. And again, it's as easy as that. I'm just literally picking geometry straight off our optimized result. So we could continue, obviously, to completely and fully document the model, but you get an idea in this demonstration of some of the power of being able to apply and fully document a model with PMI, either manually or with one of the pre-configured rules that we have at our disposal. The final part of this demonstration, or this section of the demonstration, we're going to replace the existing bracket with this new optimized model. So let's take a look at doing that. Okay, we'll pull up our sub-assembly that contains the bracket, the original bracket. And the first thing I want to do is to remove that. I can also remove these other components. Let's add our single piece bracket in. We know the part number. Let's see, we've got a thumbnail of that. Let's snap that to here. Just position it like so. And then we can use the assembly constraints. And there we have it. Our part is now being added in to the original assembly. If we take a look at the top level, again, let's just take a look inside. You can see that our new bracket fits nicely within the overall assembly. I've completed my tasks. I've done the topology optimization study. I've then done some modification to the result, adding some NX features, adding some PMI, and now I'm going to hand it over to my colleague Ashley, who's going to check to make sure that it's 3D printable.
Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at the latest enhancements to additive manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.